Risk disclaimer.
Hello, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. So I want to welcome you to this video where we are going to be looking into the Forex market for the week. We're going to be taking a look into the Forex calendar. We'll take a look into the sentiment. We'll take a look into the currency strength, and we'll look into some currency pairs to see if we have a trading opportunity for this week. Okay, so meanwhile, if this is the very first time you are visiting my channel and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button. Okay, hit that button and then make sure you click on that bell so that you will be notified when next we upload new video. I mean, as you see the way I dress, I'm creating this video on a Sunday because I just got dressed ready for church, but I just feel okay, I still have some time, so let me just create this video. Okay, so don't be intimidated by my dressing. Okay, go ahead, smash on that button, and then we will continue with this video in a second. All right, well, welcome back. Let's start from the calendar for this week of March 6th to March 12th. As you can see, the week looks busy. Okay, so Monday, by the time you are watching this, this will be on Monday, so there is no fundamental news. I mean, Monday is light. Tuesday, there's going to be Australia, I mean, AUD, okay, as you can see right here, RBA Governor Lowell speaks. So then Wednesday, so I mean, on Tuesday, so take a look, I mean, make sure you watch out for Aussie crosses, okay, especially like a Euro AUD. We'll get to that in a second. You need to watch out for that because right now it's at a 4 years low. Okay, 4 years low. So any moment from now, I mean, there will be tendency for that particular currency pair to reverse, and I'm talking about Euro AUD, but we'll talk about it in a second. Then on Wednesday, there's going to be job openings, 9:30, crude oil inventory, so USD card, crude oil, get ready right there on Wednesday. Then on Wednesday also, pretty much a USD, Euro USD, gold, crude oil, any of the major currency pairs might actually experience some volatility on that Wednesday, so watch out for that. Then on Thursday we have a main refinancing rate, so that will be by 6:45 a.m. This is Central Time. So Euro crosses, oh wow, Thursday is going to be very busy. Also for Euro USD, we're going to see unemployment claims also again on Thursday. Inflation, we have a CPI report also on Thursday. Okay, Bureau of Labor Statistics will be releasing that. So major currency pairs, most especially Euro USD, gold, indices, watch out for that on Thursday. And on Friday, we're going to be having Canadian unemployment rate and employment change. So USD card, or most of the Canadian dollars crosses, we experience volatility that day. So watch out for that. Let's quickly see what is going on with the currency strength. As you can see, Euro is weak. Okay, Euro is weak, and right now I believe seriously that is at the verge of reversing because minus 8.8. Come on, minus 8.8. So any moment from now, it's going to be experiencing reversal. Okay, any moment from now. Then the same thing GBP. So even though these two currency are weak, I'll be very cautious. I'll be very careful in shorting them, because whenever you have a pair like this, whenever you have a currency like this, especially with the currency strength of minus 7.7, minus 8.8, any moment that will be reversal. Okay, and of course we have a New Zealand dollars is strong, AUD is strong, XAU is strong, JPY is strong. But because of the news coming, all these might actually might actually change along the line this week. Okay, all this might change along the line this week. And you remember what I was saying about GBP NZD, when NZD was so low, and I kept saying that, okay, there might be reversal. Look at it right now. NZD is plus 5.2. In fact, I told us then that I had this particular pairs that I was monitoring, and that was a GBP NZD. NZD. Take a look at how far it has gone. So at that particular time, we were somewhere right here, and I kept saying that, okay, watch out, and boom, see how far we've gone. And so we need to be very careful whenever you are placing this kind of trade. Okay, so let's dive into let's take a look at some charts and see if we have some trading opportunity. We will continue with this video in a second.
Many people want to make money with the Forex market, but they don't have time to go through rigorous training, the high coaching or training fee, or the required patience to learn how to trade the Forex market. Study shows that over 70% of Forex traders lose money. You don't have to join the statistics. What if I told you there's a better way? You can be earning while you are learning. Yes, you can be making a full-time income in Forex while you're sharpening your skill in trading. What if I could show you how to make passive and consistent daily profit in Forex without you actively trading Forex? What if I could show you how to make up to 40% monthly return on your capital, leveraging IPrime Capital, revolutionary artificial intelligence that trades for you 24/5? Would that pique your interest? If your answer is a loud yes, then visit www.freedombiz.net to learn more today.
All right, so welcome back. So as we have seen on the currency strength, that the GBP is weak and the euro is weak. So most of the times this week, I'll be focusing more on GBP crosses, as you can see, and the couple with what is going on between Ukraine and Russia. So European countries right now, I mean, not only European countries anyway, the world entirely, but of course it's hitting Europe mostly. So GBP USD, as you can see, we are on 4 hours chart. As you can see right now, there is a huge sell pressure. But what I will be expecting is GBP USD to come back, to test this, to break, to retest this zone. Okay, so to test this zone. Then if we have any entry trigger right there, I will be looking forward to short GBP USD to come back to retest this area. So because there is just a lot of selling pressure, then if it breaks out from this area, retest this area, then we'll be looking forward to come back over here to retest that area of 1.34370. And what I just said right now about GBP USD is applicable to the rest of GBP crosses also. As you can see right now, this is where we are. So we break this support right now, turn it to resistance right now actually. So at this particular area, it was a support, go up, go up, go up. So to this down movement, it was a resistance, and we've broken it. So what I will be expecting also from GBP AUD is for us to come back, retest this area, and if there's any entry trigger, looking back to go short also on that pair. And the same thing applicable also to GBP CAD. Okay, most of the GBP crosses, that is what I will be looking forward to do. And the same thing also GBP JPY, except anything changes this week. I mean, take a look right now. GBP JPY, we have this sell pressure right here. In fact, this actually looks like a double top to me. So like 1, 2, 2, 2. So if this is the neck right there, so if this place is the neck, then you need to measure from here to this place. So if you measure that, take that same pips down. So we'll be looking forward to right there. So that is what I will be looking forward for GBP JPY. So I'm actually bearish GBP JPY right now. I mean, GBP is weak and JPY is strong. So that is what I will be looking forward to. Okay. The same thing is a GBP NZD. Go back to 4 hours or so, you will see Right now, I will be looking forward for GBP/NZD to see if this particular resistance zone we hold, and if it breaks that, then it will not stop until we possibly come to this area 1.88555. So right now, if you draw your trend line, you will see that will break that also, break that trend line. So it might come back to retest that trend line and still reshort, but and still go back downward. But I will be looking forward for this 1.91895 or 1.88555. That is what I'll be looking forward to in GBP/NZD. Okay, let's take a look at zero crosses. By the way, if you are enjoying this analysis, do me a favor, like this video, share with your friends, and then make sure you leave your comment at the comment section of this video. Okay, so let's take a look at the zero crosses. Okay, we will continue with this video after this short commercial break.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.
All right, welcome back. So let's take a look at the Euro USD. Wow, Euro USD has experienced a lot of sell-off. Break that structure right there, broke this structure right there. Here wow, that is long, way what I would call oversold. If you go to weekly, let's do some top-down analysis. So weekly right now, as you can see, this is a Euro USD. So there's still a lot of sell pressure on the Euro USD. Okay, this candle right there is a momentum candle. So I won't be surprised if we still push down. Let's go down to daily, the same thing. So Euro USD, even if it pull back, okay, if we experience some pullback back to 1.11193, I will be looking forward to short this pairs and targeting 1.09232 or even 1.07676. Okay, that if that breaks, that would be serious trouble for Euro USD. Okay, but right now I will not be looking forward to long it. I will be looking forward to actually, stay short, but be very careful, because when you look at the monthly chart or weekly chart, you will discover that we are at the very key level right here. So it might reverse, but from what I can see right now, we actually have this. Take a look at this trend line. So this trend line was broken. Okay, this trend line was broken right here. Okay, this is on weekly, was broken, and it goes and come back to retest. Okay, so come back to retest. So we might bounce back right there and start finding its way up. Or if it breaks this particular trend line, then we are looking down to for Euro USD to go down to 1.07676, and if care is not taken, actually go down here 1.04071. So if you are a day trader or you're a scalper, you might be looking for opportunity to trade the pullback. But then if you're a long-term trader, be very careful what you do with Euro USD. Now let's take a look at the Euro AUD. Wow, this is so I mean, you can see that selling pressure right there, even on Euro AUD. So Euro AUD, I still see it continue downward. And if care is not taken, I see it coming to this area right there. You can see that area is a very key level. This is a very, very key level. It's a very key level. It's a very key level. It's a key level right there. Key level right there. So it might come down to 1.44320. And of course, we are expecting news regarding Australian dollars interest rate this week. So this might make it to possibly bounce back. Okay, might reverse right there. But if it breaks this 1.44320, then we might not stop until we get to around that area. I'm talking about, let's see, talking about this area, which would be 1.368089 thereabout. Okay, that is the rest. Also, the same thing applicable to any of the euro crosses. Let's quickly take a look at indices. This is Nasdaq. So right now on Nasdaq, I still see a selling pressure right here, because right now this is where we are. Okay, this is where we are, and I will not be surprised if we come to test this area 1.3709. Then it might rally back. So in this case, we might be looking to head and shoulder. This is head. This is the shoulder right there, and we might have another shoulder formation right there. So, I mean, that's what I will be expecting. But then if this breaks, then we might come a little bit downward to retest this 1.2960 for indices. I mean, for Nasdaq, actually, and the same thing applicable to the rest of indices. Okay, that is what I will be looking forward to do this week. Make sure you trade carefully, and do me a favor, like this video, share with your friend, and just show us some love. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video.
Many people want to make money with the Forex market, but they don't have time to go through rigorous training, the high coaching or training fee, or the required patience to learn how to trade the Forex market. Study shows that over 70% of Forex traders lose money. You don't have to join the statistics. What if I told you there's a better way? You can be earning while you are learning. Yes, you can be making a full-time income in Forex while you're sharpening your skill in trading. What if I could show you how to make passive and consistent daily profit in Forex without you actively trading Forex? What if I could show you how to make up to 40% monthly return on your capital, leveraging IPrime Capital, revolutionary artificial intelligence that trades for you 24/5? Would that pique your interest? If your answer is a loud yes, then visit www.freedombiz.net to learn more today.